So it's perfectly fine, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cover my pot and leave it to cook for at least 30 minutes. Hi guys, so this is Jody cooking, and today guys I'm gonna make you guys one of my favorite dish, curry chicken. That's the chicken there that I have. I cut them in pieces and I remove the skin off it. You can always leave your skin on, but it's best you remove the skin. So that's all my seasoning, guys, that I'll be using. You have all-purpose seasoning, you have everyday seasoning, you have chicken seasoning, you have black pepper, you have garlic powder, and that's my curry powder there. And that's there I have a chicken stock cube. So this is all my herbs. So I've got onions, I've got spring onions, I've got pimento seed, I've got garlic, I've got cajun pepper, I've got sweet pepper, and I also have thyme. So first thing I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna season my chicken. So this is 1 spoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 spoonful of the everyday seasoning, 1 spoonful of the all-purpose seasoning, and 1 spoonful of the curry powder, 1 teaspoonful of the garlic powder and of the black pepper. And this is my chicken stock cube. I'm just crushing it with my hands. And I'm also gonna add all my herbs. And I'm also gonna add some vegetable oil, guys, just for it to be moist. And I'm just gonna take my bare hands and just massage the meat, but you can always use your gloves if you have a gloves. Just make sure all the meat is all covered with the seasoning. So this is how it should look, guys. Make sure all your meat is all covered with the seasoning. That's very important. You can always leave it to marinate, guys, but I'm not going to marinate it. I'm just going to cook it right now. So here I have a pot on the stove, guys. It's hot, so I'm just going to add some vegetable oil to it. Around 3 spoonfuls. So wait for your oil to heat, guys, just a bit. Then you just add some curry powder. Just let it burn, but not too much. So I'm just gonna add my chicken now, guys. I'm just gonna take my spoon, guys, and just stir it. So what I'm doing, guys, I'm just allowing my chicken to fry. Just leave your pot uncovered, guys, for at least 10 minutes. Alright, guys, so I'm just gonna add all my herbs to it. Then I'm also gonna add some water, hot water. I also had, guys, some carrot and some Irish potato as well. So I'm just gonna taste it, guys, to see if it's gonna need any more salt. That's perfect. So it's perfectly fine, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cover my pot and leave it to cook for at least 30 minutes. So my curry chicken is finally finished now, guys, and this is how it looks. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. Hi guys, so this is how my curry chicken looks on the plate. I'm having it with plain rice and with salad. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please like and subscribe for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.